Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials ready: battery above 50% and a formatted micro SD card installed. Once done, power the GoPro and open Preferences or press Mode to access video options. Make sure Pro Tune is available and turn it on to unlock advanced controls. This gives you white balance, ISO, and shutter adjustments. You pick a resolution like 4K for detail or 1080p for smaller files, and set a frame rate: 24 for cinematic motion, 60 for smooth action. Now you refine exposure and color to control how the video looks. First, set ISO limits. 100 to 800 is a good baseline. To reduce noise while keeping brightness, choose Auto ISO for convenience or Manual for consistent exposure. Then set white balance for accurate color. Use Auto unless you need a specific Kelvin value. Select a color profile: flat for grading later, GoPro color for ready-to-share footage. Make sure image stabilization is on, and pick the finish by recording a short test clip so you can confirm exposure, framing, and audio levels. Playback lets you spot motion blur or color shifts. Once satisfied, save the configuration as a preset or custom mode so you can recall it quickly for similar shoots. If something goes wrong, make sure firmware is up to date. Verify the micro SD card speed/class meets your selected resolution and frame rate, and if problems persist, reset preferences and reapply your settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.